Okay. Nice. That's... Whoa! That looks like a... That would... Is he okay?
I think, but it could be a chemical burn, right?
Oh, it could be, yeah. But hopefully not.
Yeah, don't try it.
Wow. Oh, buddy, no! The family jewels! Oh!
I feel... Wow!
Oh, these all look like dangerous activities. Maybe just don't do these things. I don't know.
Or if you do, don't
safe.
complain.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Ooh,
It's like a really bad slide.
Okay, it wasn't that high, you know. But
Yeah. But
it's,
I mean, even so... Oh. He's out cold. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you guys know if he's okay? I don't know.
Are you
So,
okay?
is it another hack which wasn't successful, I guess?
Yeah.
With come out?
Oh, these ladders are like... No.
Why? I mean, just go down, move.
Go down, move your ladder.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all you had to do. That looked very dangerous, whatever that was.
Oh, I missed it.
Me too. What is happening?
Is it the car?
Wow, okay.
I think they just make it fun.
I don't think that was a fail. I think that was a success.
Oh, this thing is very dangerous.
What is it?
It's a suspension system on your car.
Wow,
You know, this spring, it's very tight and...
Dude, wear protection. Oh my gosh, that's why goggles, safety gear, always.
And
Even if I'm just using the bathroom, I'm always wearing goggles and safety gear.
And I think it was... Oh, wow.
Not really.
I mean... What? He gonna... of course.
Spider-Man falls over and hurts himself. What do we got here? Someone's gonna fall through the ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's supposed to go on this trampoline, you know, first,
Oh,
but he
wow.
stopped with this. Oh boy.
that's
Poor
okay.
guy.
At least he made it over the hill.
So
What do we got
somebody
here?
will fall from the sky.
Maybe someone will fall from the sky. Oh!
But what's
Oh no.
is it angle grinder, right?
Yeah.
Which is, wow, be careful, guys.
Ooh.
I mean, such a video should learn us that we shouldn't do in real life.
Oh no. Move away. If something starts smoking, maybe move away.
Or maybe try to use a fire extinguisher, you know?
Yeah. That looks dangerous.
What?
So he's trying to mix like cake with a...
For me, it wasn't dangerous. I would do the same thing.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, that's not good.
You count for him, Aaliyah.
Oh, this is not good. This is not good.
No, we
This-
automatically know this is not good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Actually, I expected more.
Could've
but
been
whole
worse, yeah.
The whole piece will go. So.
Slap him on the butt.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah, homemade weights, maybe not. Maybe not.
Maybe not at all. Go to the gym. There is some special requirement.
Yeah, I mean, it costs money to go to the gym, so I get it. But at the same time, it's worth your safety, probably. The gym's gonna cost less than the doctor's bills.
I think if something goes wrong.
Yeah, that was like extremely blow-uppy. Oh no. Sir, no! Why would you do that? Oh.
It's actually
It's perfect. He looks like Mo from the Three Stooges.
but it's a real thing, right?
Yeah.
Some parents did like so.
Yeah, that's how my mom did it.
Seriously?
When I was a kid, yeah, she was
Wow.
like, "Zzzz."
My mom never did this. Thank you, mom.
Lucky, yeah.
Uh,
Stuck in the bushes. Yeah, that looks
Just
a little
stuck?
complicated.
oh boy. Just pissed off.
Wow. Yeah.
Get out.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, it wasn't perfect.
It looked like a... Yeah, I wouldn't wear sleeveless, first of all, if
Yeah.
you're going to do that. But it looked cool. It was like a wooden go-kart.
Yeah, I think it's like a.
Oh. Ah. Hey, buddy. Chill out. Chillax there.
When switch off electricity before you do something with your socket or something.
It's very hard to watch. Wow.
Whoa!
These chairs are made of literal, like, the worst quality plastic, so no duh.
That's
Oh,
shit.
I hope he's okay.
Jackie Chan,
Yeah, Jackie Chan style.
but less.
Less precise and less
Yeah.
cool. Wow.
Oh boy.
Oh, how to mess up your house in 3
Yeah.
steps. 1, F around. 2, find out. 3,
No.
call your insurance.
He just
escaped.
Uh-huh.
Ooh. Okay. All right, so we're doing a rave party, sort of. Oh my gosh, no!
You need to call your electrician.
Yeah, something's
you know?
wrong there.
Something's wrong.
There's some connection that's really messed up.
Excuse me?
Ma'am, sir.
Theoretically, it could work.
Yeah.
You know, the drill with the hammering of the concrete wall.
I mean, it can
works
take
like
a lot
so,
of
yeah.
pressure, right? So I guess it makes sense.
What's stupid anyway.
The bloody ceiling's falling down. Okay, nice. That's. I think he's okay. He'll be fine.
That's fine.
And it looks cool, so worth it.
Oh, dude. Oh, it was.
It didn't
drywall.
look that heavy. Yeah. That's good.
That's
But it
good.
could have been.
And now it will.
Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh.
What is this?
There's like a person in there.
Who playing? The toy. There was a excavator.
Oh.
It goes. Oh.
Okay, we got some pool. What's gonna happen? I feel like someone's gonna fall through the roof. I just feel like that's what happens. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
That sucks though.
Yeah.
Poor lady. And then someone falls through the roof. Okay, we're moving a whole cabin. That's a strong team right there, except not
they
strong
drunk.
enough. I can't do it, yeah. Well, that's good to know your limits.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, buddy. That looks pretty painful. Hopefully he's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, the bowstring. Bowstrings are really, really hard to...
Wow.
They're so dangerous. Oh, that was so lucky that it didn't snap. Oh.
Wait a second.
There's something wrong with my sink.
Yes. A bit.
Oh. Mommy!
That's
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, that's not good when you step wrong or something. Oh, you can fly.
Yeah!
You can.
And it all went down his butt crack. Yes! Genius. I love science. Wow.
What just?
Some big blow up.
Oh boy.
We got a drill here. And there is a water main in there. So when they drilled it in the first time, they probably hit the water, but it sealed itself. Right?
Oh.
But then when they unscrewed it, it's like, nope.
It's really not working like that. Wow.
He came in like the Kool-Aid man.
Oh yeah.
Anger issues guy, come on. Alright, pull-ups on this thing. It's not stable. What's gonna happen? Can you predict it?
Okay. I expect worse scenario.
I mean, probably give him a good bop on the head. Wow.
Excuse me?
So his lawnmower looks like it's broken? Maybe?
You think so?
Yeah, something like that. I wouldn't keep mowing my lawn.
Oh, just eat a lot of petrol, you know?
It'll be fine.
Yeah. But look at this, my cousin.
I just attached a smoke mod to it. Uh-oh, run. Run. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Run! Why are you laying down?
You let it completely dry.
Jeff was upset
where you
about the
can't take it
situation.
up so easily. Take as much of the paper off as you can. Put it in a bowl of water,
what is
cold
this?
water.
Get a bowl of
and
water,
take off
cold.
the rest of the paper gently. I noticed that some of the ink
with
was
paper.
coming up with
What
the
is
paper,
happening?
even though it was being really
Maybe
careful.
it's one of the
And then on
technique
the
when you
photo-
put some printed picture
Oh, it's
on
the
wall.
photos.
Off. It didn't stay at all.
Okay, so...
Whoa.
Whoa, don't do that.
I think it's not the strong.
Very bad idea.
Yeah. But he wanna break it or what?
It looks like he wants to break it.
Come on, dude.
I mean, you get what you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
Exactly.
That's...
You got what you worth.
Yep. Got right in the head as well. Okay. Oh, ooh, struck a water main. Oh.
It's just the special tool for clean up with any,
Oh, but he like put it on the
Yeah,
max setting apparently. Oh no.
Bronze board went wrong.
Yeah. Those are fun though. Downloads are really awesome.
I love it. I have it.
Yeah, nice. My one of my teachers in high school lent it to me, so I just like for like a month. Very fun.
That's funny.
That's not too good actually.
It's not too good at all.
I wouldn't say that's good at all. All right, guys, give us more
More reactions.
right now,
Please.
please. And if you enjoyed the video, leave us a like and follow us.
Yep.
Thanks.